Hello, welcome back to Salesforce Builder. In a previous lecture, we have talked about the introduction of the data science. Now, in this lecture, we will talk about the Anaconda installation. So, let's start. If you want to get more information about the installation of the Anaconda, you can also switch to our website. The website is www.salesforcebuilders.com. After the opening this page, click on the Learn Python section. Then wait for the opening the next page, then click on the installation in data science. So here is the installation. Now how to install the data science. If you want to use the data science, you should be need the third it's an you should be need the IDE. For that, you the Anaconda is a better option for you. You can also switch to the Google Collaboratory for you, collaboratory for the use for the data science. So let's first we talk about the Google Collaboratory. So Google Colab, it is a short name for it is for the Google Colab. Is a research program of the Google, where you can find the online Jupyter and you can get the all the information. So you can also switch to their about us. So here is the Google Collaboratory. So you can see here the collab it's a collaboratory or short collab allow you to write and execute a Python in your browser with your zero configuration required, free access to the GPU. It's also provide the online GPU, easy to sharing. If you have saved this project, then it will be saved into your Google Drive. Whether you student, data scientist, or AI researchers, Colab can make your work easier, which is the introduction to the Google Colab. Learn the more or to just started below. So here you can see. So now if you want to start the Google Colab, it's very simple. So new notebook, then it will load this. After you should be have an internet connection for that. There for if you want to use the Google Collaboratory, it is very efficient to use and very if you suppose if you don't have a very powerful laptop, you can then at this time then Google will be provide you the RAM also and GPU too. So suppose it is print, it's a simple message of the Python, so it is print hello. So if you run this program, so simply clicking on this, so you can get it. It is depending on your internet connection. So here you can see it's the output is the hello. Now we are talking about the installation of the Anaconda. So open the Google. Now click the download Anaconda. So click on the Anaconda. Anaconda is the individual edition. So now what you have to do, so click on so getting start, then now so it is a 64-bit graphical installer. So click on this. After that, you see so it is a downloading successfully started. So I'm cancel this because I have already the file is the Anaconda. So here you can see the my file. So let's click on this. So wait for the second. Now you can see it is the first dialog box which opened by the Anaconda. So I'm clicking on the two times, so it is two times is open. Now click on the next. I agree, so it is just for me. Okay, so next. So also add in the Python path environmental variable, so install. So now you can see my Anaconda is starting to install this in my system. So wait for a second. So I'm pausing this video. When it is complete, I will resume this video. now installation is successfully completed. So next, so here I'm finished this. So now it's about us. So cancel this. So refresh my system. Then click an Anaconda navigator. So here is a Anaconda navigator. So it is take to some time. If you want to use Anaconda, that make sure that your system have a very powerful requirement of should we have up to the 6 GB RAM, and also having a dedicated GPU, and also having a smart processor for using the Anaconda. So you can see, so my Anaconda is successful. It's loading right now. So wait for opening this application. So if you are using the Google Collaboratory, so you don't need to do like that. So you just open the Google and write the code of your data science related to the data science programming. So now you can see the successful install. So now I'm launch Jupyter as a notebook. So there is lots of things is provided by the Anaconda is the Qt console, Spider, PowerShell, Jupyter Lab, Command exe prompt. So it's lots of things provided. It's you can also write the R programming using the R Studio. So you need to install them. So now you can see it is the Jupyter. So click on the Python 3. So here you can write the program. So suppose it's the print hello. So now run this. So it is a so now you can see it is a successfully run and it is a output. So that's it for this session, guys. I hope you learn how to install the Anaconda in your system. So thank you for my watching video. Thank you, guys.